We're here today at the Fly-In in Wickenburg. This is our third year, and by putting on these fly-ins, our goal is to promote the industry, support all of the people that work within it, and keep the MD platform up at the pinnacle of helicopter needs, especially in the civilian market.
I'm Hugh Mills. I'm a retired Army aviator. I'm the author of the book Low Level Hell, which is the story of my first tour in Vietnam, 1969, as a scout pilot, flying the 086 Cayuse. I actually flew this aircraft in 1972 as the commander of the Outcasts Aero Scouts in the 16th Cavalry, and this was one of our aircraft. It's been restored by Little Bird LLC in Santa Teresa, New Mexico, and it's probably the finest restored 086 I've ever seen. It's just fantastic.
Here we are, 1,300 miles from Chicago to here, and it was an amazing trip. My name's Chris Nelson. I own the Quiet One. This is the aircraft that did the mission in Vietnam that ended the war. 1965 model. A CIA or Air America took it from the US Army, and they spent some time doing some testing on it, and they developed the special engine system that basically encapsulated the engine with a special baffle to quiet it. And so that's why it came up with the name, the Quiet One.
Well, what brought us here is the fact that it's a type-specific fly-in for the MD helicopters. Tina and Darren just do Apex Aviation, do an excellent, outstanding job putting on the event, the education we receive, the exhibitors, everything is just top-notch, and it's well-founded information that everyone here needs to hear. It's wonderful.